Right, what's up, traders? Happy Tuesday. Welcome to this morning's pre-market stream, 27th of August, 2024. Right, so we're going to get right into it. Obviously, we had a massive sell-off yesterday off previous week's highs, and I ended up actually missing the move on the Nasdaq and the S&P 500. Did I ever catch the move on the Dow? And as you can see, we're going to speak about some Edgeful statistics, what I'm going to be looking at today. And then we can get down into it, right? The whole mag 7 here across the board. As you can see, Tesla, the only one that's holding up a little bit, everything else down pre-market. But I actually did win round one of the Edgeful competition. So if you bring up here on Twitter, you can actually see I did end up winning round one. I think I was up $555 yesterday. So me and Chris going at it head to head this week, best of 5. So I've got round one. Need to win another 2 to take home the W. But it was a good day, shorting the the Dow, right? And we'll get into that as well. And then obviously pre-market plan. But as you can see, I did share my P&L in the chat here in their Discord, and you can watch me trade live in their Discord at 1 p.m. Eastern time today. If you join the Discord, you can watch me. Here was my P&L yesterday, $555 over 2 positions short in the Dow yesterday. I did walk through my trade as well in the live chat, as you can see, off the initial balance highs, following the other 2 indexes coming down lower. So go check them out. You can join in the trading stage over there in Edgeful's Discord. So that's where you can watch it, right? But let's get on to what I am looking at today. So it looks like we could get extensions lower. This is the 2-minute time frame. Let's go out to like the 50-minute. I wouldn't be surprised to see it slide a little bit, but my game plan recently has been waiting for that first hour of trading to happen, and simply for the fact is that we are trading with initial balance and set in, right? So initial balance, and Edgeful do have a new statistic or report called the opening candle continuation, which I really do enjoy. So if you have a look at the opening candle continuation, right, which basically tells us if the first hour is bullish, we want to be looking for longs, or if the first hour is bearish, we want to be looking for shorts. Granted that we are, trading in direction of my VWAPs and levels and stuff like that as well. But as you can see in the last year, when we've had a bullish first hour, in the last 2 years, we closed bullish 73% of the time, and bearish a little bit less. Obviously, indexes are made to go higher. So we'll see. But initial balance breakout is something that I do love trading with NQ. So let's go to NQ on futures here. So we have single break 74% of the time, meaning that if we take out the first hour of trading, how low, for example, yesterday we took out on the Nasdaq. Let's go to the Nasdaq. We took out the first hour of trading's lows, initial balance, right to the downside here, and Edgeful do have these indicators as well, but we take out the first initial hour's lows, and then we can look for shorts rest of the session. I think something that's been helping me has been waiting for the first 30 minutes and TradeZilla, using TradeZilla. The link is in my bio for the journaling software that I use, TradeZilla. Looking at my statistics, I'm actually making most of my money after the first 30 minutes after the open. So getting involved in that first 30 minutes is kind of like a no-go for me at the moment. And then using Edgeful's reports and that show me as well that putting the odds in my favor, the probabilities in my favor, waiting for that first hour or 30 minutes to an hour of trading, then we can see where the market is wanting to head for the day. But yeah, we're going to see, we haven't taken out previous day's lows yet. The previous day's lows are all the way down here. Not too bad. Obviously, we still pre-market, but 50 points lower on the Nasdaq and S&P. We are seeing rejections of previous day's VWAP as well as current day's VWAP as well. So I would be looking for, if we take out the lows, coming into the open, I'll definitely be looking for continuation shorts. But I'm leaning towards a shorter, a little bit of a, continued downward movement today. The DAX index is up, but shorts on the indexes heading into today's open. But we'll wait and see, as mentioned with my statistics. We'll wait and see for the first 30 minutes, maybe to hour, let that initial balance set in. And then we can have a look and use these reports from Edgeful to actually continue to hopefully make money in the market. It's been a solid August for me. We're looking to obviously, just take it one day at a time. But I definitely think using Edgeful statistics and TradeZilla's statistics from the reporting, so the journaling software, but then the statistics from Edgeful to actually build my transition. Because for those that know me and have followed me for a while, I've been trading currencies, most of my trading career, and then literally 3.5 months ago decided to make the switch over to the US indexes. And and get involved in the great price action here. So we'll be seeing what we do get on the open, but I am leaning towards more shorts. I definitely think, like, we don't want to be shorting down here. This is right at low of day. Today, I would be looking to sell rallies today. If we get a pop up on the open and start trading like that, then we'll obviously look for longs above yesterday's VWAP. But for now, we'll see what the open brings, and then we'll look to play from there. But right now, I wouldn't be looking for shorts going into the open. We're just a little bit too far gone. You want to be shorting. In essence, you want to be buying high, selling low. This is at low of day. We don't want to be shorting all the way back down here. So let's see what the open brings. But looks like we could have some nice action this week. We do have some news, as mentioned. We do have CB consumer confidence at 10 a.m. Eastern time, 4 p.m. South African time. But that's my bias going today. I'm going to wait and see, let it play out, and we'll take it from there. Check Edgeful out. The link is in my bio. Definitely has helped me make the transition and form my edge in terms of making my, the switch over to the index trading. But have a good day. It's good to have everyone on here for the pre-market plan. I do these almost every single day. Pre-market plan about an hour before the open, maybe an hour and a half before the open. So make sure to check me out. And on ASFX TV, I do stream live every single week, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. We had some great trades last week. We had a losing trade on Wednesday, and then Thursday and Friday followed that up with great winning trades. So catch me there, and I appreciate you guys being on. As mentioned, it's been a really, really solid August. So just going to look to continue this momentum, but we'll see what the open brings. I'm leaning towards shorts here on the US indexes. So we'll see what happens. Cheers, everyone.